Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to install apps not from the Microsoft Store on Windows 11 PC. Now, the first thing we need to do is come to the Start menu here on the taskbar and find our settings within the Pin section. If you don't have your settings within the Pin section, search from here in the top search box. Once we're in our settings, we want Apps on the left hand side here. And once we're in the app settings, we want Advanced Apps Settings here. Now at the very top here, choose where to get apps. And it's normally set to Microsoft Store only. Drop this down and you can select anywhere. You can even choose anywhere but let me know if there's a compatible app in the Microsoft Store, or anywhere but warn me before installing the app that's not from the Microsoft Store. You can choose which one you prefer. If you're more safety conscious, I'd select anywhere but let me know there's a compatible app, or but warn me before it's installed an app that's not from the Microsoft Store. It's entirely up to you. Now, if that doesn't work, come to the system here on the left hand side. Then come down to activation and make sure there's nothing in here what says S mode. And you want to say switch out of S mode. And then come back to the apps, advanced apps, and then it should allow you to change this. So that's how to install apps not from the Microsoft Store on Windows 11 PC. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.